guys. I'm starting my vlog out a little bit late. Honestly, Vlogmas has kind of been killing me a little bit. Like, I love Vlogmas, but when you work a job on top of doing Vlogmas, it can be a little bit hard, but I'm not complaining. I'm actually so proud of myself. Like, this is something that I never thought I could have done. If you would have told me like 2-3 months ago that I would be daily vlogging, I would have laughed in your face. But I figured out a really nice routine to be able to upload every single day, and somehow I'm doing it. Somehow I'm doing it, and I don't even know how. I really need to clean, and that's literally what today's video is gonna be. It's gonna be a clean with me while I chit chat with you. I do want to start off today's video with an outfit of the day. Don't mind my room in the background, that is going to be fixed. So this is today's outfit. I have this shirt here. It is so soft, I wish you guys could feel it. It's sort of a knockoff of one, like an Urban Outfitter shirt, but I really, really like it. It's so comfortable, and then if I wanted to, I could tie it, but these jeans here are very low rise, so you can already see like my love handles a little bit, but I have these ripped jeans. They are so cute. I love, like, the detailing is exactly in the right place to make it super flattering. I also love the hem here. This is another raw edge hem, and then, like, I don't know, I just love the detail on these jeans. And then my socks, not that you really care, but my socks, you can get them from Target. These are my favorite socks ever. I have them in like every color you could possibly get. But yeah, I'm not wearing shoes because I'm just gonna be cleaning today. I'm literally gonna show you a before and after of my room. By the way, I still haven't done anything with this. You guys told me that I should definitely get something to go along with it. Alyssa's mom actually texted me and was like, hey, like, you should go get canvases and we can paint something to go on the wall. So I definitely think I'm gonna take her up, up on that, but it's getting closer and closer to Christmas. I'm definitely, just being very slow with that. I'm actually gonna light some candles really fast. So this is my favorite candle. Oh, it just got real dark. This is my favorite candle ever. This is Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. This is my favorite candle in the entire world. It smells amazing. The only thing is it makes me like hungry for cookies, you know? Have you ever like had a candle that smells so good and it almost like makes you hungry? That's this. Oh, it just looks so pretty with all of my other Christmas decorations. This is my friend Teresa. She's amazing. I literally love her. She's like my mini me. Now for the before and after, guys, this is bad. I don't want any judgment because keep in mind at the end of this, when it's all done, it'll be clean. So there's really no room for judgment. Literally walking into my room, this is what you see. Like, it literally looks like Hurricane Courtney hit. It's pretty bad. And then, oh my gosh, hold on, I'm gonna use my judgment if I even want to show you the bathroom. Oh yeah, I'll show it to you. It is just as bad. That is terrible. That's all you get to see. I'm kind of embarrassed, but that's where the cleaning comes in. And also, you guys are sort of motivating me too, so thanks for the motivation, because if I'm filming this, I'm 100% actually going to do it. So thanks, guys. Okay, so you remember how like couple seconds ago I said that this was gonna be a real chill, like, clean with me video? Yeah, no. My roommate's gonna be home in about 2 hours, so I was like, you know what, why don't we make this into a challenge that I have. It is, I definitely thought it was earlier than this, but it is currently, come on, 2:59, so almost exactly 3 o'clock. I have until 5 o'clock to clean everything. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. So I just literally just turned this really chill video into a challenge, but I'm up for the challenge. So let's play some dramatic music and let's go. Usually I do my makeup in the bathroom. That's a great way to keep your room clean because, you know, you won't have makeup sprawled out on the floor. But for me, I just find it so much easier just to do it. Like, if I'm super tired, I just like to sit on my floor in front of my mirror and just do my makeup. So I've just recently been so lazy. So now I have to go pick up all my makeup from my bedroom and put it in here. I'm gonna go grab a trash bag because there's a lot of makeup that needs thrown out. Doing pretty good. My bathroom's almost completely done. My room really hasn't been touched, and I'm doing laundry, so let's continue. I don't know how, but somehow it's 4 o'clock. That was the fastest half an hour of my life. My bathroom is looking pretty good. I just Swiffered the floor. Once this all dries, then I'm gonna put my rugs back. So far, I'm pretty impressed. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this back, and now I have 1 hour to clean my entire room, which I really haven't started yet. It is still a mess. All I've really touched is laundry. I'm actually starting to feel the pressure now. This is like 3 hours worth of work that I am shoving into 2 hours. I'm so out of breath. Okay, you know what? No. I'm gonna go get coffee because I'm out of breath. And maybe this will give me the extra boost that I need to continue. Like, I feel like I'm in such a rush. I actually kind of like the fact that I'm putting a time limit on it, which is making me actually work. If not, I'd be sitting on my phone just kind of procrastinating. I'm making myself coffee now. Hopefully that'll give me the energy that I need to finish. My roommate, like, I just keep looking at the clock, and my roommate comes home anywhere between 4:30 and 5, and it's currently 4:04. Okay, now back to cleaning. My last 30-minute update, it is 4:29, if you will focus. It's 4:29, and I am almost completely done. I just have to do a couple more small things and then I'm done, woo! My room is all finished, which is super, super exciting. So you remember what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. It is so much better than what it was. I can't really do anything here because I always sleep with my sound machine on. And here I can't do anything because this is Christmas gifts. And I can't do anything over here either because this is Christmas gifts and Christmas decor. And my bathroom looks so good too. It just looks so clean. Like, look at this. Literally killed it. I'm so excited, and it is 4:54. Now I'm probably gonna go do some dishes and finish up my laundry. Dishes probably should have been included, but I knew I wouldn't be able to make the time if I had to do dishes, so I just didn't. Before I end this video, I do just want to encourage you guys to leave a comment down below. You guys know that I respond to every single person. The only reasons why I wouldn't respond to you is if you commented on my letting Starbucks baristas choose my drinks for a week or my depression short film, just because those two videos like blew up and they are just, it's really, really, really hard to comment back to every single person on those two videos. But other than that, I respond to every single person. Definitely leave a comment. Let's get a conversation started. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.